Hiya, it's Lorraine Bracken here. Today's video is about the best way how you can start making money online without YouTube monetization. Now, if you managed to catch my last video, I went through some various ways that you can consider and start implementing right now on your YouTube channel instead of waiting around for that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours that's required for YouTube AdSense revenue or YouTube monetization. But in this video, I want to run through my personal favorite and honestly I believe is the best for a beginner to get started. Hands down, it's affiliate marketing, but using a simple strategy. And to quickly go through what I'll be covering in this video, the first one is the strategy overview. How you can follow a simple strategy that even a complete beginner who has never done any of this before can use. Second one is the tools you're going to need, and believe me, these are minimum cost tools that you can set up a legitimate long-term business that has the potential to make you thousands down the road. Third one is the expectations going into this. This is probably the most important part of the entire video because this could be the difference between you failing and succeeding if you do not have realistic expectations going into this. And then finally, what's next? I give you my recommendations on how you can move forward and start making your first affiliate sales and beyond. And also, if you want to speed up this entire process of getting this strategy going, stick with me till the end because I have an amazing solution to share with you. Alright, so let's take a look at the tools you need to get this strategy going. And why I'm starting with the tools first is because I want to detail and show you that it is not that expensive to get all this going. So the first thing we need is a domain name, we need a host and provider, we need a page builder, an autoresponder, and then a screen recorder and a good quality mic. Okay, so to begin with, we need a domain name. And where can you find a domain name? I would recommend either going to GoDaddy or Namecheap. And I would highly recommend that you don't spend any more than $20. There's no added benefit for going anything dearer than that. And why do you need a domain name? Well, you need to have a unique address or a URL so that you can direct people to opt into your list so that then you'll be able to follow on and offer them affiliate products that you recommend. And finally, I'd recommend that you go purchase your domain name first just to make sure that it's available before setting up your YouTube channel so that you can have the two names exactly the same. And next up, you need a host and provider. Now, there are many to choose from, very good quality ones, but to keep things simple, I have broken it down to two that I recommend, and that would be SiteGround and Bluehost. For your first year, your hosting will not cost any more than $5 per month. And why do you need it? Well, this is where you're going to house your domain name. It is going to give you full control over your site, along with having better website security. And then what happens at this stage is this is where you will connect your domain name and your hosting together. Alright, so next you need a page builder. I recommend using Thrive Suite. It's what I use and they have absolutely everything you could need when building out landing pages, opt-in pages, everything for your site. The cost for it is $228 for the entire year. I personally believe it's worth every penny. However, if you are starting out and you're uncomfortable paying that kind of money to start with, there is a free option and that is Elementor. Now, why do you need a page builder to begin with? Well, this is where you're going to send your audience to opt into your email list. And how are people going to find your opt-in page? Well, you're going to display that opt-in page link in the description of your YouTube videos. You can use a call to action in your videos to let your audience know that there is a link below the video where they can go and check out whatever it is you're recommending. Alright, so the next thing you need is an autoresponder. Now, when you're picking your autoresponder, just be careful and go through the terms and conditions because there are some companies that don't allow affiliate marketing. Now, with this example, I've given two, and that's GetResponse and Aweber. They are totally okay with affiliate marketing. I personally use GetResponse and they're very good, and also Aweber is a good solution as well. They both have free plans. GetResponse, it starts at $144 per year. Now keep in mind they have both different benefits and features for each plan, so just go check them both out and see which one works best for you and go with that. And why do you need an autoresponder? Well, the simple answer is you own your email list. It belongs to you. When you're on a social media platform, you have to abide by the rules, which is fair enough. It's their platform. But with your email list, that is a list that's going to belong to you and nobody can take that away from you. And then what happens when you set up your autoresponder, you can send automated emails to remind your subscriber to revisit your affiliate offers, and also you'll be able to promote future related offers as well. And last but finally not least, we can't forget about our YouTube softwares and tools. First of all is you need a screen recorder for this strategy. And what I use is Screencast-O-Matic, and I use the Snowball Ice Blue microphone. Screencast-O-Matic, I highly recommend it because it is so beginner friendly, and it's only $20 per year, not month, per year. And then the Snowball Ice Blue mic is around $60. Now you don't have to go with the Snowball, I just use that myself. Just go with a good quality mic. Having a good quality mic is very important. However, you don't need any webcam because you're not going to need to show your face for this strategy. And I thought I'd just throw in there an optional extra, and it's TubeBuddy. And TubeBuddy is a keyword research tool. It is not a requirement, but it is helpful to get some ideas for videos. However, you can use the YouTube search bar in order to find plenty of ideas to create videos. Now, to give you an overview of how this strategy works, you're on YouTube, you're creating videos within your niche, and I'm going to go into that next. So when you create these videos, people are going to search on YouTube to solve a problem. You're going to have a video for that specific problem, and you're going to walk through it. Then what happens is in your videos, you have a call to action, and then you drive them to your opt-in page. They fill in their name, their email address, and then you forward them onto the affiliate offer or the sales page. They take a look at the sales page, see if it's right for them, and if they like it, they're going to go ahead and purchase it, and you will make commissions on that purchase. However, if they're busy, they're in the car, they're at work, they may not have a chance to check it out, and they might forget about it, which is why we have our autoresponder, so that you can send emails to them over the following days that will link them back to that sales page, and eventually they may actually buy that product. Or if they don't, they might actually buy a future product that you recommend that might suit them better. The point here being is the fact that the more videos you have, the more traffic you're going to be able to send to your opt-in page, and that will in turn lead to more commissions over time. Now you might be thinking, this is all good and well, but I don't even know what niche to go into or what videos to create. And the thing is, with this strategy, it doesn't have to be complicated. Picking your niche is going to be very simple, because when you're creating your videos, they're going to be simple tutorials, and it's going to be around a certain digital product. The type of videos you're going to be creating are based around how-tos versus videos and best videos. Like when you go and take a look on Google at the different softwares that's available within many niches, you'll be shocked at how many there are available. There'll be ones even in a niche that you'll be familiar with that you've never heard of before. That's why you're never going to run out of content ideas for this strategy. There are going to be plenty of softwares available, and I'd like to confirm that you do not need to be an expert. What I'd recommend you do is start off at a very basic level, answering very basic questions, and the more videos you create, the more experience you'll gain, and the more authority you're going to be as the go-to person within your niche. When you're picking your niche, things to consider will be, what softwares do you already use? I'm sure there are plenty of softwares that you use on a daily basis that you may be able to share some information that you've already learned about it. Do you need to be passionate about it? No. Well, you do need to have some level of interest. I've given some examples here. I have graphic design softwares, budgeting softwares, bookkeeping softwares. You can see where I'm going here. There are softwares for loads of niches, and you just need to pick one and move forward. I'm on YouTube, and in the search bar, I'm going to use Canva as an example because it's a tool I use and I love it. And there'll be so many different videos that you could create within the Canva space and become the authority. And all you'd have to do is simply put in the word Canva and see what comes up, or Canva for beginners, Canva versus Crello, Adobe Spark, Illustrator, graphic designer. Then I can go best Canva design, font, templates, tutorial, presentation, tricks, alternatives. You can see how easy it is to come up with content ideas. The thing is just to get started, pick a niche and move forward. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about expectations going into this, because this, like I said before, is probably the most important element of the whole entire strategy of you actually being successful. First of all, this is not a get-rich-quick strategy. There is no such thing as get-rich-quick. You have to put in the work initially for you to start seeing results. Second of all, keep it as simple as possible. Don't try and chase that viral video. Just create simple videos, basic videos within your niche. and just use a simple basic screen recorder such as Screencast-O-Matic to record your videos, and you'll be 10 times further ahead than anyone who's overcomplicating the whole situation with trying to find that perfect viral video or perfectly edited video, and don't overcome them initial hurdles when they're getting started out. And keep in mind, small steps lead to big victories. Every small step you take is that step closer to that next milestone. Whether that be your first YouTube subscriber, whether it be your first email subscriber, your first sale, everyone starts at zero and they have to build up over time. It doesn't automatically go from 0 to 5,000 per month just like that. But as long as you stick with this simple strategy and do a little bit day by day, you'll be amazed how far you'll go. And finally, honesty is key. If you are going to be promoting affiliate products, make sure you know that they're good quality, you've tested them, you know they're going to genuinely help your audience. Because if you're chasing the commissions versus giving value to your audience, that is a quick way for your audience to lose trust, and they more than likely will never buy from you again. So remember, there is no overnight success, but believe me, once you make your first organic affiliate commission, it is a day you will never forget. And the reason for that is the work you've put in is paying off, it has proven itself, and it's going to give you that drive to keep pushing forward. So what do I recommend you do next? Well, I just recommend you get started. You pick your niche, you choose your domain name, set up your hosting, set up your YouTube channel, create an opt-in page, set up an email sequence, create simple tutorial videos, and put your link inside the video description. And like I mentioned before, I genuinely believe this is the best way for a beginner to start making money online without relying on YouTube monetization. And if this strategy sounds good to you and you want to move forward faster, I highly recommend you go click the link in the description down below. It's going to lead you to this page here, and it's called a Simple Traffic Blueprint. I highly recommend this program. It's step-by-step training for beginners to get you started using this simple strategy. To be honest, this is a no-brainer if you want to get started as fast as possible. So that's my rundown on the best way you can start making money online without YouTube monetization. Why wait for monetization when you can start making money with affiliate marketing? I hope you found this video helpful and you got some insight from it. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and go check out these other videos on screen. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Take care.